Ladies and gentlemen, tech lovers, and those who just can't decide between an iPhone and a Samsung phone, welcome to the biggest showdown of 2025. It's the battle of the titans, Apple's sleek iPhone versus Samsung's powerhouse Galaxy. Who's winning in sales? Which one has the better features? And most importantly, which one will survive being dropped by a clumsy YouTuber? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into specs, prices, durability, and even some spicy secrets you didn't know. And hey, if you're Team iPhone or Team Samsung, let's see who's louder in the comments. Sales Showdown. Who's winning? In 2025, Samsung is still the king of global sales, thanks to its budget-friendly options and flashy foldables. But guess what? Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max alone sold over 30 million units in just 3 months. Samsung's secret weapon, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. Because who doesn't want a phone that turns into a mini tablet? Meanwhile, Apple fans are like, but we have Dynamic Island. OS battle. iOS 19 versus One UI 7. iOS 19 is smoother than a buttered-up penguin on an ice slide, but it's still a walled garden. Want customization? Tough luck. Meanwhile, Samsung's One UI 7 lets you tweak everything. Icons, animations, even your grandma's ringtone. Yes, really. But beware, with great power comes great "why is my battery dead" moments. Features and innovations. Apple's big 2025 flex, under-display Face ID, and no ports. Yes, it's all MagSafe now. Wireless charging or crying, folks. Samsung, they've got 200-megapixel cameras, AI-powered zoom, and a self-repairing screen. Okay, fine, it's just scratch-resistant, but let me dream. Oh, and the S25 Ultra now comes with the built-in fan, because why not? Price war. Who's robbing you more? iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at $1,499. Yeah, that's half a kidney. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, $1,399. But wait, the Fold 6 is $1,899. Meanwhile, your wallet, can't we just go back to Nokia? Build quality and durability. Apple's iPhones are built like tanks. Titanium frames, ceramic shield, and the I survived a drop flex. Samsung? They've got Armor aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 5, but foldables still make us nervous. Oops, I folded it the wrong way. Support and updates. Apple wins here. 6 years of updates. Samsung, 4 years. But hey, at least they give you free Galaxy Buds to soften the blow. Funniest flaws. iPhone's Siri Still Dumb award continues. Ask her to tell a joke and she'll say, "I can't, but here's a Wikipedia link." Samsung's Bixby? She's like that one friend who tries too hard. You said call mom, but I booked a flight to Miami instead. Final verdict. If you love ecosystems, iPhone. If you love freedom, Samsung. If you love saving money, maybe a 2019 Nokia. All right, Tech Fam, Team iPhone or Team Samsung? Drop your vote in the comments. And if you're that one person still using a BlackBerry, we salute you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next PS6 versus Xbox 2026 showdown. Until then, keep scrolling, keep laughing, and please stop dropping your phones. Peace out. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and tell us, which phone would you pick in 2025? Let's start a war in the comments.